Today, everyone, we will report about the superintelligence. And this report will discuss the concept of superintelligence, a type of artificial intelligence that has ability to surpass the intelligence of ordinary humans and all things. These topics will cover what superintelligence can do or what it means, the benefits we can gain, as well as the risk it may bring. The goal of this topic is to examine and balance the capabilities of superintelligence and explore its potential. Now,
Good day, Mom. I'm here to discuss the superintelligent AI, key concern and risk of this. While superintelligent AI has great potential to help people and bring major benefits, it also comes with serious concern and risk that could harm society. Because this is capable than humans, its power means we need to be careful about how it is used, unlike ordinary people. It acts based on program, goals, and can work non-stop. So any problems with how it operates could have wide-reaching impacts across healthcare, science, and our daily life. In healthcare, even though AI can find cures and extend life, it may create big gaps between people who can afford this kind of treatment and those who cannot. This could make inequality worse and a longer lifespan without proper planning might put too much pressure on our resources, home and support system. There is also worries that AI could label minor health differences or problems needing treatment, leading to unnecessary medical use. For technological progress, while superintelligent AI can build advanced tools and help with space travel, power, and access to this innovation, many end up with only a few groups or countries. Fast-moving advances would also outpace our ability to check for our safety, meaning new technologies might be used before we understand all the risks. Scientists and researchers could also become too dependent on AI, making it harder for them to think creatively on their own ideas. In daily life, even though AI can act as helpful tutors or assistant to boost productivity, relying too much on it could make us less able to think critically and make decisions for ourselves. Their personalized system needs lots of personal information, which could be misused to watch or discriminate against people. AI companions might also reduce how much we interact with each other, leading to more loneliness and less care between people.
For the benefits po, despite of some negative effects on society na masasabi natin na madadala ng superintelligence atin as meron din itong mga positive effects na makakatulong sa atin at na magko-contribute din sa ating society. Superintelligence is said to have the ability to be far more intelligent than us. So, magagamit natin ito para matulungan tayo sa iba't ibang mga problems natin gamit yung capabilities ng superintelligence. When using superintelligence, it possesses superhuman skills, accuracy, and creativity. Unlike ordinary humans, it has the capacity to think without tiring and can be considered a reliable innovation partner in healthcare, science, and environmental management. So, itong superintelligence is may kakayahan na makapag-isip ng hindi napapagod kagaya sa atin. Kaya mabilis natin itong magagamit upang matulungan tayo. In the medical and healthcare revolution, it can discover cures for all diseases as it quickly advances drug and vaccine development to find treatments for serious illness. It has the ability to extend human lifespan and improve quality of life. So, yung superintelligence is may ability na makadiscover ng mas mabilis na gamot sa ating mga illness. And mabilis nitong pwedeng ma-develop yung mga dapat i-develop sa ating mga vaccines. And kunwari, kung ano pa yung mga kailangan i-improve is malalaman agad ng super intelligence dahil sa ability nito. And sinabi dito na it has the ability to extend human lifespan and improve quality of life dahil yun nga, matutulungan nga tayo na mabahaba yung buhay natin dahil sa tulong ng super intelligence at mapa-improve din ito. For technological advancements, superintelligence can also assist us in solving problems, especially for scientists and researchers. Using superintelligence, we can create an advanced research tools as well as aid in interstellar exploration or solving challenges related to interplanetary travel. So, yung superintelligence din is makakatulong din sa ating technological advancements. Sinabi dito na magagamit natin ito sa pag-solve ng mga problems at pwedeng matulungan yung mga scientists and mga researchers para mapadali sa kanilang trabaho. Sinabi dito na using superintelligence, we can create advanced research tools. Yun na nga yung kanina na matutulungan yung mga researchers na mapadali yung process nila sa research gamit yung superintelligence. As well as in interstellar exploration. Pwede na din yung mga tools na mga gamit sa exploration na may related sa interplanetary travel or pati yung pagta-travel sa space. Superintelligence can also enhance human capabilities and daily life, as it can serve as personalized AI companions, acting as tutors or assistants that help boost personal productivity and support us in making decisions. Yung superintelligence daw is pwedeng ma-enhance yung capabilities ng mga tao at para maging productive din daw tayo. Dahil yung superintelligence daw is pwede tayong matulungan or maturuan dahil sinabi dito na pwedeng maging tutor or assistant para matulungan tayo or to help boost personal productivity. And pwede na din daw yung matutulungan tayo kapag tayo ay gumagawa ng decision sa buhay. Kapag tayo ay naghihirapan is pwede natin gamitin yung superintelligence para masigurado na yung decisions natin is hindi magkakaroon ng maling mga consequences.
Good day everyone, my name is Rename Andes and today I will be discussing about the current progress and future outlook. Today, AI technologies are already being used in many areas such as healthcare, education, and business. However, true superintelligence has not yet been achieved. Researchers continue to study and develop AI systems, and in the future, superintelligence may become a reality. It is important to ensure that its development is safe and beneficial for humanity. In conclusion, superintelligence is a powerful and promising concept that could transform the world. While it offers many benefits, it also comes with serious risks that must be carefully managed. By using responsible development and ethical guidelines, society can ensure that superintelligence will be used for the good of everyone.